Hello, investors, and welcome back. I want to talk about a couple of fintech plays. I've got those pulled up. You can see SoFi, PayPal here at the top of the list, and then I just want to remind you about NerdWallet. I just did a video on that. November 4th, that's coming out. Looks like a good IPO buy price between $17 and $19. We'll see what that price comes out at, and I expect that one to run pretty well on IPO launch day. So SoFi Technologies is taking off this morning. They had some good press this morning. We'll talk about what that is. And PayPal, where is the bottom on PayPal, and what is happening with puts and calls? We're going to talk about that during this video. So let's get straight into it. You can see green candlestick action. I meant real healthy, very bullish. And when you see green candlesticks like this is typically a really good sign to get in on upward momentum. And even though this went over the 70 RSI, and typically this would be a point where you would want to take some profits, SoFi is definitely a buy and hold. We called this out in the $19 range that this was definitely a buy in the Discord. So you can see this is also getting outside of that Bollinger Band. It's really strong volume to start the day off based on what I believe was this new Seeking Alpha news report that came out that said that this could explode based on the bank charter. We'll take a look at that real quick, but you can see this volume candlestick action is decreasing a little bit, but we still have closing green candlestick over and over leading off this morning. So here's the Seeking Alpha report that just gives you 3 quick bullets straight up front, a summary of the article. It's all about this changing everything bank charter, and here it is. This got everybody excited, I believe, right here. Valuations have been known to explode, and SoFi is going to follow suit. So for those of you not familiar with PayPal, they went to acquire Pinterest, and that was on or about October 20th, where you've seen this red, very bearish candlestick, and it started trending down. Then on October 25th, PayPal came out with an official press release saying that we are not trying to acquire. This is when I said that if you have a call, probably is a good idea to sell that call because you don't have to wait for expiration, right? You want to get it when it's the highest level it could be, and it's been trending down, and now I believe we're in a zone. If we go to the 1 hour chart, I believe we're in a zone where this is starting to get flat, and 230 to 227 I believe is a buy zone. Of course, you want to make sure that this is a long-term play. I still believe, and I did a video, be sure to go check that out, on the 5 reasons why I like PayPal. And, I think this is a good stock to hold, and it's just really creating itself as a buying opportunity. And you can see down here even, it went outside the Bollinger Band, which shows, that it's on the technical chart side, it's calling out that it's a buying opportunity, and I believe it's going to find support very soon. So PayPal's not currently pursuing Pinterest acquisition, October 25th. Of course, that's not the official press release, but I also wanted to go through the calls and the puts to just show you and make sure that I'm showing you what people are buying and where the volume's trending. And it doesn't necessarily make it accurate, but this is a pretty good indicator that here's all the calls, and the call volume versus the put volume. You can see there's been some put volume increases down here that are showing green, but the volume up here this morning was showing favorable for this 235, which you can see there's some massive numbers on this one, 235, but the market just maybe it didn't reach some support levels that were expected, but you can see up here at the header, and you can find this on Yahoo Finance. Just go in and click on the options tab if you want to take a look and see what people are buying more of the puts. So maybe this does have some potential to dip down just a little bit further and go into some additional red territory before it does fully recover. Now, average trading volume is almost 8 million, and you can see that this was definitely trading over that for since the news came out on the acquisition. it's had a lot of strong trading interest, and now that trading interest seems to be dwindling down a little bit, and it may take until earnings for this to recover. Now, earnings have traditionally quarter after quarter beat, but there is some concern that maybe they did this deal to make up for some deficits potentially, or coming out of COVID, they're not getting as much support online now that people are back out actively working. But they did come out with a press release or corporate news release about giving customers a chance to win $10,000 every week this holiday season. But I don't expect to hear anything from PayPal until their earnings. I hope this helps you. PayPal is still a good buy down here in this zone that I created on this chart. Make sure this is one that you're looking to hold long term. Just remember they came out with the super app. They've got a strong vision in the future of reaching 1 billion users on their platform. This is a strong play, one that I don't think you should miss out on. Of course, buying the fear can be difficult, but if you play it right, these option plays can really pay off. So this is one that I really like. Don't forget about NerdWallet. Be sure to go back and watch that. And SoFi, congratulations to those of you that are getting that boost. I know that this one was kind of flat, but if you bought it, you're holding it. Great company. That's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next video.